Hello and welcome to our next tutorial where we are going to talk about the quick access toolbar. Remember, I've not saved this workbook, that's why it still has the generic name of book 3. We're going to pass through these things step by step. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about the quick access toolbar in depth, and it's basically this section here at the top. And as we explored, it's how you add actions that you repetitively carry out in a quick manner. So the first way to add one action that you like is just click this item next to it, the ellipsis button, or the 3 dots next to the redo action point, and then just click on whatever. So whatever has a tick on the left is what is currently here, like automatically save is here, home is here, etc. Save as blah blah blah. If I want to add the print function here, I just click on it. As you can see, it's added here. So that's the first way of you adding whatever item you want to be added here. If I click on print as an example, you see it's brought up the print option. So I'm going to also show you how to remove it. The same way you added it is how you can remove it. If I click the 3 dots and click again on whatever has a tick, it disappears because the tick has disappeared, the check mark next to it. Some people call it ticks, others call it check marks. Okay, so that's the first method on how you can add items to the quick access toolbar. The second way you can add items to the quick access toolbar is by going to Microsoft Excel preferences. In Windows or PC machines, you can go to edit and go to preferences. In MacBooks, I'm using a MacBook, it's under the Microsoft Excel options. So if you go to preferences, then go to ribbon and toolbar, you will find that this is how you customize the ribbons that you see. Okay, like for the ribbon tabs, under the home tab, I'm able to see all these things because I've added it. Okay, or it comes standardized. For the quick access toolbar, since it's the focus of this tutorial, all the items that we want to add will be here, okay, on the left, but whatever is shown on the quick access toolbar here is what is on the right. So let's say I want to look for any other command, so popular commands is what is shown here. If I want to look for a command that I know is in another tab or ribbon, I can easily go to that tab. Okay, so let's say I want to add a command in the data tab and it's advanced filter. I just click on it and click on this arrow, takes it there. Okay, when I click on save, okay, you see it's here. Let me close and see. You see it's here. So the advanced filter is already added. If I want to remove it, of course, as you can see, it's hard to see it here, but if I go back to the same way I added it, Microsoft preferences, go to ribbon and tab, quick access toolbar, I click on advanced filter. 2 ways I can click is this negative icon or minus icon to remove it, or I could just have returned it. Okay, let me add it, calculate, save. Okay, I want to remove it again because you can see it's added here. I just go to quick access toolbar, calculate now, and I return it, like back arrow. It's more like you're returning it to the left side, and then click on save, and voila, it's gone. Close on that. So ladies and gentlemen, that is quick access toolbar in depth. Just don't add everything that you're doing here. Find the most repetitive actions that you are doing and add it here for a quick access, literally quick access to the actions that you want to do. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be speaking about the status bar. Bye bye.